most part, while you're working on your Composica pages, you'll be working in Design View. Actually, it's called Design Mode, but I like to call it Design View. And this is a view we're looking at right now while working on this particular document page. However, there's another mode called HTML mode, which allows you to work right within the HTML coding. And if you know a little bit about HTML coding, this could come in handy. For example, let's say I want to go ahead and take this numbered list and change the starting value to something other than the default number 1. I can easily do this if I know a little bit about HTML programming. So I'll go up to View and then switch over to HTML mode. Then I'll go ahead and look for my list coding, and here it is right here. And I'm going to go ahead and add some tags here. OL meaning ordered list, and then I'm going to change the start value to equal 5. And then I'm going to close this tag, and then to keep the coding clean, of course, I'm going to add a closing tag here for the ordered list. And then I'm going to just double check it really quick, and then I'm going to click Save. And then here we are. Our starting value now is number 5, and then so on, 6, 7, 8. It'll automatically increment. But we could take this a step further if we wanted to also. Let's say I don't want to use the number 5, but I want to make it a little bit trickier, and I want the starting value to be a lowercase c, for example. Again, easily done if you know a little bit about HTML programming. So I'm going to go back to HTML mode. I'm going to change this tag to have the starting position be the 3rd letter. Okay, now, right now if I left it like this and we saved it, it would just start the numbered list at number 3. But we want to say here the start value is going to be 3. When combined with the type tag, meaning lowercase character, these two in combination mean that it's going to start with the 3rd position of a character of the alphabet, which is lowercase. So that's going to be a lowercase c. That's how you read that. Everything else is already in place, so we're going to go ahead and save this and take a look. And there you go. 3rd letter of the alphabet used in lowercase, so it's going C, D, E, F. I'm going to show you one other little trick, and then after that I'll let you take it from there. Let's go back to the HTML mode view. And what I like to do is when I have bulleted lists, whether they're numbered lists, whatever, and I have sentences in them and they overflow to the next line, I like to add spaces in between each of the bullet points so that it's easier to read them. And this is easily achieved right in the HTML view by adding a simple paragraph tag. Now in this case, show you a little trick here. I only have to actually use the opening tag because when I save this, Composica is automatically going to add the closing tags for me. So watch this. And there we go. So those are just some of the tricks that you can do while working with ordered lists or numbered lists while you're working in HTML view if you know a little bit about HTML coding. After this video, I'm going to have a cheat sheet for you that you can go ahead and use to work with HTML coding while working with ordered lists or numbered lists, and you can play around with it. If you have any questions while working with this, anything on this topic, just feel free to visit us online at www.carbon.com or contact us, and we'll be glad to answer any questions you might have. So have fun with it, and happy viewletting.